Okay, P1, with Mr. Fajar now, yeah, we are going to have an experiment about sound. We are going to make sound, yeah. Things or items that you need to prepare are, the first is glass. Yeah? Glass made of glass, yeah, not glass made of plastic, but glass made of glasses, yeah. Glasses made of glass. And then Mr. Fajar only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 6 glasses, yeah. Mr. Fajar only has 6 glasses, yeah. And then a bottle of water, yeah. After you already prepare all of them, glasses, and then water, a bottle of water, and then pour water into the glass. But you have to make a different levels. First of all, the first glass is until this level of water. Yeah, you pour the water in this level, not too much. Yeah, and then the second one, yeah, on this level. Yeah, only a half of the glass. And then this one is not glass. Yeah, it's a jar. Yeah, I don't have any glasses anymore, so I'm using jar. Yeah, and then yeah, just like this. A little of water, and then this one, very little, and then this one, and then the last one, the smallest glasses of just a little. Yeah. And then also don't forget to prepare something to heat the glass. Yeah, heat it softly. Yeah, softly, not very hard. Just heat it softly. Let's try. Yeah. That's the first glass sound like that. And then the second one with the only half water inside it. Is that different? Yeah, different. This one is tang, and this one is tang. Yeah. Which one is higher? Which one of the glass that has high pitch? Yeah. Which one? This one or this one? This one is higher. Yeah. Tang. This one is tang, tang. This one is higher. And then the jar. Whoa, the jar has very unique sound. And then this jar, this glass. Yeah. Yeah. So they have different sound because of the water level is different. Okay, now I will, Mr. Fajar will pouring some water again. I'm going to pour some water again and add some water again. Is there it's empty now. Do the glasses sound different from the first one? Okay, let's try. Yeah, so the sound is changing. Yeah. Now I will make this glass empty, yeah, and I give it to another glass. Okay. Okay, empty. Now let's try. Yeah. Now the sound is changing again. Yeah. Okay. Now I will make this glass empty. Put it here all of the water. Yeah. We are playing here. Oh, this glass sound the same, I think. Oh no. Bang, bang. Yeah. Nah, this is the first experiment. So guys, the level of the water in each water will make different sound of each glasses. Now we are going to go to the next experiment. Let's go.